Clean your surface. Mark the center of your graphics by folding them in half and putting a small crease at the top, and then take a pen and mark your center. If your graphics haven't already been separated, you can cut them apart for easier installation. Make a registration mark so you know where it needs to be lined up when you're installing it. Use small pieces of tape on the ends to find the placement of your graphic so that you can center it on your space and then have it appropriately measured based on where the letters fall. To get your graphics straight. Put a piece of tape on the top edge of the graphic, half on the graphic, half on your surface, to act like a hinge. You can remove the small pieces and then now you have a hinge to apply your graphic. Fold the graphic up and peel all the wax backing paper off. Do not let your graphics touch the surface until you squeegee them down with a squeegee or a credit card. Start in the center, moving toward the edges. With the next line of graphics, you already have your registration marks, so there's no measuring involved. Put your pieces of tape on there. Then you can borrow the tape from up above and use that as your hinge there. Make sure that you leave the masking tape on the first line so that you can apply these without doing any measuring. Secure it, remove your small pieces of tape, and proceed just like you did above using the hinge method. So go ahead and peel the backing paper off. Don't let your graphics touch the surface. Start in the center and work your way to the edges. You can remove this tape for the next line that we're going to work on, but leave all the masking paper in place. For the next piece of copy, just line up your registration marks that you made. Put your tape on the sides to hold it into place. Create your hinge along the top. Remove these. Fold it up, remove the backing paper, start from the center, and work toward the edges. For the final line of copy, line up your registration marks, tape it into place, create your hinge along the top. it up, remove the backing paper, start in the center, and squeegee it down. For the last step, you just remove all your tape, start on one side, and slowly at an angle remove the masking paper on each line of copy. Now you know how to install vinyl graphics.